Appreneurs, Christopher Wilson here, Mobile at Mogul, and I just happen to be checking my phone. And actually, I'm going to make a few rounds in the car. But here's a question from a user. He said, "Hey man, I wanted to know that what happened to my ad units. My subscription pack is over in Andromo, and I do not want to continue with Andromo. Will my ad unit still be visible on my apps?" Okay. Let's see, read more. The Play Store, or they stopped displaying ads from my ad ID. It's regarding Andromo and all the websites like these. I will be eagerly looking forward to your reply. And I already responded back already. But to answer the question is, yes, your ads are in your APK file. If your app is already on Google Play, then your ads will continue to run. But your ads are in your APK file, and AdMob or any other networks, ad networks that's in that file, they will run your ads. So if you have AppLovin, or if you have Start App, or whatever you have, Amazon ads, they will still be running. Okay? So to answer that question, yes, Andromo can't mess with your ads. And there's been a lot of things being said about Andromo. You know, they're at a point where support is low, and you know, I'll just say it like that. Support, you can't get any support, and Andromo is not, you know, we all have to find another app builder. So, that being said, question answered. Christopher Wilson, Mobile at Mogul. Subscribe, like, and all that good stuff. And I'll see you all in the next video.